is on. Magnetos is set to both. Carb heat is cold. Mixture is for rich. Trim is set. Fuel selector is on both. Flaps, no flaps. Controls free. And parking brake is released. We're doing a takeoff briefing? Nope, okay, no takeoff briefing.
Charlie backing Apron Alpha Delta to the runway 10.
So for landing, depends on how many flaps you're using. With 30 and 40 degree flaps, you can go as low as 70 miles per hour.
Okay. 70 miles per hour.
Right, when you're ready, you can hold short, 10.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Golf Sierra Juliet Charlie is holding short of runway 10. Alright, hold short checks. Takeoff time.
Showing 1529.
Yep. Okay. 1529, takeoff time recorded. Instruments, everything looks good. Compass. Yep. Lights and strobes. I got my beacon on, navigation's on. Yeah, that's good. Transponder, set that to altimeter. Windsock, I've noted. And have a headwind. Traffic, hearing none on the radio, and traffic appears clear. Okay, hold short checks complete. Gonna line up. Thanks for traffic. Golf Sierra Juliet Charlie lining up on runway 10, staying in the circuit.
So if you like, you can backtrack a little bit to give you a little more distance, but I think an intersection takeoff is going to be sufficient.
Okay.
Lake Simcoe Unicom with Golf Uniform Mike for radio check and advisor. Golf Uniform Mike, Unicom Region 555, which from Simcoe 110 knots. Currently have one traffic completely local at this time. Local altimeter 2996.
2996. Okay, now we're raised to the floor. Rudders for directional control. Right rudder, full power. 1, 2, 3. Okay, airspeed's alive. Airspeed 50. 60, rotate. Which is rich. Fuel selected on both. Masters on. Mags are on. Sorry, mags are both. Masters on. Circuit breakers good. Altitude holding 2000.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Golf Sierra Juliet Charlie on right downwind runway 10 for the options.
Yeah, this might be a problem because I didn't hear a word you said. You couldn't hear my radio call. I hear you now, but I didn't hear the radio call.
Oh, I said for the options.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I didn't give myself flaps.
Alright, do you see where Charlie is?
Go traffic runway, Quebec Romeo, clear the frigate on the left hand.
Turnout now, gonna be dragging northeast bound Warden, then William Modern Ward out of proper airwork.
Is he coming in?
He was announcing he was gonna extend his downwind with it, right? That's why he.
That's gonna be a problem then because I didn't hear that. I'll have to check my headset when I get back.
Did you not hear any single radio call?
I've heard the radio call. I just didn't hear that one. Like, the call, even my own voice comes in very low.
Okay.
And like I heard Foxtrot Romeo, I think it was, that came in earlier.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm not gonna do this one. I'll go around.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Sierra Juliet Charlie is departing the circuit. We're gonna rejoin coming in midfield from the upwind side.
I think here it's good. We can bring the power back to cruise. Yep. You can make a right hand and then we're gonna cross midfield again. I hope we can get ahead of Charlie before he took off again.
Yeah. See that last call that came in really loud.
Okay. To me, everything was fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Could it be you're too concentrated and you missed that radio?
No, because even now I think I'm getting a lot of engine noise. I think my noise reduction thing, the battery might be dead because I'm getting a lot of and it's overpowering. I can hear that in my headphones.
Oh, is there like a light indicator?
Hey, you want to take it all, bros?
Uniform light gray at 2500 feet over cranker. On leak, they're cold.
What battery do you use? It's a AA battery.
Like two of them?
Yeah. I have spare. Do you?
Yeah.
Charlie is on the roll for 1 thing and
Sure, let's turn here now. Yeah, he's scrolling now, so we're gonna plan enough space here.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Sierra Juliet Charlie is crossing midfield to join downwind for 10.
But to attack a go here from Charlie Airport 10 thing in the circuit.
Lake Simcoe traffic, Sierra Juliet Charlie turning final for runway 10, full stop.
Okay, I have control really quick. Oh, I'll taxi a little bit for you so you can listen to my comments.
Yep.
So the first three were good. And then the fourth one and then the subsequent one, they were a little less good than the first three.
Right.
Towards the end, I felt that you're rushing a little bit, perhaps. So try to slow yourself down. There was one time that we almost catch up on Charlie because you didn't get the radio call. It could be because of your headset, so I don't blame you on that one. After we go back to the apron, you can drop me off there. I'm gonna give you some batteries. I hope that will fix the problem.
Yep.
If not, then just let me know. Okay. You're gonna taxi all the way. You're gonna taxi all the way back there to do a run up again. Make sure everything is good to go, and then do 2 circuits, and then come back here for a full stop. Okay. Any questions? Nope. Okay. Then you have control. You can
Control.